Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. The first way to take a screenshot is by using a combination of three keys: Windows, Shift and S. Press them all simultaneously and you will see that stop bar at the top of your screen. The other way is by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. So just press the print screen button and you'll see the exact same bar at the top of your screen. Now, to take a screenshot, make sure that the snip option is selected right here. Then select the screenshot mode, one of the four. Now, the first one is the rectangular screenshot, and in order to take a rectangular screenshot, you have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Once you do that, the screenshot will be taken. You'll get a notification like this, and by clicking on it, you'll be able to edit this photo using these quick tools at the top of your window. You can also edit this photo in Paint if you click right here. You can save changes by clicking this icon right here, and to find your screenshot, you gotta open the File Explorer, go to Pictures folder, Screenshots, and here will be your screenshot. Now, the other way to take a screenshot is a windowed screenshot. And to take a windowed screenshot, you just have to click on a window that you want to take a screenshot of. Once you click on it, the screenshot will be taken and it will look somewhat like this. The third way is a full screen screenshot, and it just takes a screenshot of your full screen. Once you click on it, and it will look like this. And the last way to take a screenshot, the last screenshot mode, is the Freeform screenshot. And to take a Freeform screenshot, you have to draw any shape that you like on your screen. And the screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you drew. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.